righteous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you another Wish mystery box. So, my last one was a total, complete disaster. Like, disaster. I'm really actually kind of still sick about that one. So I'm hoping that this one will be better. I don't know. Let's check it out. Without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay, guys. So this one was $36 plus $10 shipping. So $46 for this mystery box. Now, this one did say that it was feminine products. Now, this is the thing. I was talking to my mom about this. I was like, okay, so it says feminine products. In the United States, that means Tampax and pads. But what does it mean in another country? Does that mean clothes, like, dresses, shoes, jewelry? I wasn't sure. So I thought, okay, that kind of piqued my curiosity. Like, what is feminine products? And I was still expecting to get like a nice little box full of goodies. This is what I got. Pretty small. I'm not expecting much. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here, guys. Like, it honestly feels like there's one thing in here. I don't know because I didn't open this. I wanted to be like surprised with you guys. So it might be, as I'm looking in here, there's like a box, right? So maybe there's a few things inside the box. I don't know. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Didn't expect that. Didn't expect that. If you have small children in the room, I would suggest that you have them exit at this point. If you are not 18 or older, I would highly suggest that you turn the video off at this point. Here it is. Really? I mean, really? You guys know what that is, right? Look at it. You know what it is. And that's all that's in here. $46 for that. Now, I don't know how much these things run. I don't have one of those things. I don't use one of those things. I would just prefer the real thing if I'm going to do that. Yeah. So that was my $46 mystery bag from Wish of feminine. This is what they call feminine products. So just to clarify, here it is, guys. Feminine products, all right? That's what they call feminine products from the Wish site. It's not dresses and heels, okay? I didn't know what to expect. I'll be honest. I had no idea. I didn't expect that, but I didn't know what to expect. Like, I would have been a little bit more accepting if I would have got Tampax and pads, but that was not on my radar. I'm just saying. So, $46 more down the drain, guys. The other one that I ordered, I paid a lot of money for, and it is considered a bestseller box. It did have good results, but at this point, I am losing my faith. I'm just saying. Tiffany Wears T-shirts got a really nice Wish mystery box, and that's what prompted me to order these. Of course, it's not her fault that I'm getting totally terrible things here. She had nothing to do with that. Not sure which ones that she got, but the ones that I'm getting are not turning out to be very good. So, I mean, I can't even sell that, guys. Like, I wouldn't even try to sell that. I'm not even going to open it. I don't know. Okay. I mean, no. I was going to say, if anybody wants it, I would send it to them, but I would even feel weird doing that. So I'm not doing that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I mean, I guess if I get desperate, I'll use it, but I really don't see that happening. All right, guys. This video is getting way out of control, and it is way too long for this one product. So I will link this one in the description box below. For those of you who are interested in getting this one, but that's probably what you'll get. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is... That's the day. Boom! right, hold on. No. Try it again.